Hey gang, happy Easter! I still haven't painted my nails. This is powder pink. This is the second coat and that will go in the lamp for a cure. I'm using chocolate truffle, pink petals, girl talk, Alaska, Turtle Beach, Dolly Daydream and pink angel flakes. Sparkly. So I'm going to draw some branches here, twigs, branches, trying to make them sort of jaggedy and yeah, jaggedy. I've said it, I'm sticking with it. That's going to have a cure. And I'm now taking pink petals and I'm just doing dots, and that is all we're going to do from here on out. Dots. So it's nice and easy. It's Easter. I didn't want to sit indoors and do anything complicated, so I was sat in the garden and some cherry blossom from the cherry blossom tree in my garden fell on me, so that was that decision made. I'm just glad I'm not painting an anvil. So now doing some dots of Alaska. I mean, you know how I feel about painting flowers. It's not really my thing. I'm just not a flowery kind of person. So anything that can be as simple as this when it comes to flowers, just dots. That's literally all it is. So same here, same song, different verse, a little bit louder, a little bit worse. And now using Dolly Daydream, and some of them were sort of clustered together, so just, yeah, popping some together, some with gaps between them. There's really not much for me to say, is there? I'm just dotting bits of polish on the nail, hoping that the end result will somewhat resemble cherry blossom, which I think it does. Enough for me to be okay with it. So I'm putting some girl talk inside the white ones, and then I put some white in the light pink and some of the dark pink in the, no, you'll see, just adding just dots of these three colours everywhere, really, wherever takes your fancy is fine. Wow, this is so informative. I should be a teacher. So that's all had a cure. I'm now adding some Turtle Beach in sort of just little dashes, dots and dashes for leaves. And flash cured that, and then just going over some of the branches with the chocolate truffle again, just to sort of make them a bit clearer where we've painted over them. And now I'm going to, this is the first base, I'm doing a really, really thin coat, and I'm taking some of the pink angel flakes and with no rhyme or reason, just sticking some on there. They were quite fiddly to try and pick up one tiny piece at a time. Look at the faffage. So just adding some on the flowers, some on the leaves. It probably would have looked nice not on the flowers but in the background, but too little too late, it's done. So that had a cure. And then I am floating the top coat. Obviously it's a little bit bumpy, so we want to smooth all of that out and seal in the flakes, and there you go. From a distance it could be cherry blossom. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for lots more, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.